The Rack Shop is proud to present this 2022 Toyota Tundra with the short box. We've just installed the Rhino-Rack Vortex Aero RLT600 base truck bed rack system. Bah. So that is installed onto the Retrax PRO XR. That's the aluminum cover from Retrax, the XR meaning that it has the accessory tracks on the side, which allow you to attach different types of racks and accessories. If you'd like to see a video of just the bed cover by itself, we'll link to it in the description down below, so make sure you go ahead and check that out. But for this video, we're showing you this rack system. So this is using Rhino-Rack's Vortex Aero bar, 71 inches in length. What's nice about this bar is that you can clamp accessories onto it, and there's also a T-slot underneath this rubber strip here. This strip here is for aerodynamics and wind noise. Really not too much of a factor here on the bed, but you put that into the track and it kind of cleans it up nicely for you. So with the Retrax XR, that track does extend from the rear all the way to the front. So really you can place these bars anywhere you'd like, whatever's gonna be the most useful for you. But as far as this particular rack goes, you do have a quick release feature. Locks are included. And then you have these red triggers here. You pull those inward, and then you can lift this up and off. So if you need full access to the bed of your truck, you can easily take these off super quick. Or if you need to adjust them, you can get to the fasteners underneath, move the base wherever you need to, plop down your bars, and then go ahead and re-engage those triggers. There's a little rubber isolator in there that if you get the triggers into their deployed position, they're not yet snapped in. You usually flex that down, those snap in. So it's essentially ready to go, but you add your cover, lock it up, good to go. So yeah, 71-inch crossbar, so it's a really nice fitment for this size truck. So you do have some overhang on both sides. Yeah, this rack's great for if you want a rooftop tent down low, or bicycles or cargo. You do like a cargo basket or cargo box on here, and it'll work quite nicely. So for complete specifications on this, go ahead and click the link in the description below, and that'll give you the weight capacity and all the other details that you might want to read up on. So that's just a quick look at this Rhino-Rack Vortex Aero roof rack system, truck rack system, on this 22 Tundra. So this is the short box, but it does work on the longer truck models as well. So same fitment there. So yeah, that's it for this one. But like always, thanks for watching.